Hello, my name is Gert, and today I'm presenting the UiPath chat-based solution. So basically, what is that? That is kind of a chat interface where you can communicate on real time about your services that you have on your orchestrator, on your cloud, about your robots, jobs, and different type of things. So let's kind of see the interface, and later on I'm also going to provide some applications and some use cases that can be done or can be performed. Okay, so now let's see the chat interface and try to communicate with it. Basically, it's a kind of a UI where you can communicate right now by text. Later on, you can use also voice command and get voice replies. Here, like you can ask any question related to your UiPath processes. And let's start with a greeting message. And let's say ask how many processes do I have? He's saying you have a total of 4. We can ask what are their names and what do they do. He sends the name of the 4 processes and their description. For example, let's see the last one. Ads payment bot pays Facebook ads in Meta Business Suite, starting from a G Sheet and pays ads invoices by credit card. For example, if we want to ask to start the ads payment bot. He's saying to start the ads payment bot, please provide the following information: BMID and account ID, which in this case are arguments in the main file and the starting point of the process. We can say like BMID is some random numbers and account ID is some other random numbers. Once we send it, it stays process started with success. One other use case, like right now this logic can answer, we can ask, do I have any process running? And he's saying the form application bot is currently running. We can ask more, has any process failed? He's saying the word generation bot has failed due to a fault. We can ask furthermore, why has it failed? And he's saying failed due to an inability to delete the file, document, Word file, as it was being used by another process. So what happens on backend? Let's suppose he's reading the logs, this logic on real time, interpreting them, and providing them easier and more simpler to the end user. Right now, the end user can say like, create me a task with high priority to the developer. So this will avoid the sending useless messages back and forth, what happened, to intervene, and these type of things. So the even non-technical business client can understand what is happening and create a task for the developer to provide it faster. Okay, so this chat system is really useful to non-technical users who can ask about their processes for their automations, what's happening, why it's happening, because let's say kind of some technical logs, it's very difficult for them to understand, and they can get it on real time without having to open tickets to developers all the time. And furthermore, he can even create a task for the developer really quick, and using this AI feature, it can be translated so even the developer knows better what's happening rather than just having some words, seeing and going to research on many logs. Another good use case was if this later on is integrated on phones, you can start automations by voice, even on the web based, but on phone would be even great. Let's say you have some chat with some clients on your personal social medias or similar. You get a screenshot, you need to analyze something, you send it to this chat, an automation is triggered, analyze that information, provides you an answer, or inserts a lead in the system. In general, this was the chat interface. Thank you.